Njeri wa Muigai ni arikitie gututhura ndereti nene muno na gutiga Akenya Megegeire ni miario arakorirwo akiaririria iguru rigie side chick a co-wife and even allowing your husband to have another woman. Na Njeri arakorirwo akiaria ndeto ici hindi arakorirwo hosto ni Sarakafu wa Bonfire Adventures Bonfire Adventures, na niho arakorirwo akira Njeri wa Muigai na kumumburira ati he undu atamukenagia naguo, he undu atagetikaniria naguo, undu uria Njeri akorirwo agika na gwitikiria Muigai wa Njoroge korona a second wife and even going ahead and bringing her home as a wife. Na Sarakafu akira Njeri wa Muigai ucio ni undu matetikanagiria naguo, na as God wives matifatie gwitikira their man kana their husband to have another woman. No Njeri wa Muigai ni waracokire ukorwo akimwira ati ona etikire kana age gwitikira, these people exist, these people are there, whether you like it or not, your man will have another woman, na guti undu ungika na koguo kabarira witikirite akorwo akimureha mucii. That way you will know where your man is, you will know his whereabouts, you will know what he's up to, what he's doing, than riria umugirite na ukorwo gipinga akorwo na mutumia ungi na maraikorwo makiana ta mataraiguanira na Sarakafu. Sarakafu akirega undu uyu muno, no Njeri agikimwira reke amwire ma whether you like it or not, these women exist, the side chicks exist, the second wives exist. It's the bitter truth. Na in fact at some point you don't even have a choice. Na ndumiriri kana miario ino ya Njeri wa Muigai iracoka gututhura ndereti nene muno. Atumia aingĩ moco tonio makiyumirite na gukorwo magitwariria ndereti ino kuria nenda-ini after Sarakafu shared this video. Atumia aingĩ makionania gwitikaniria na Sarakafu ati goat wives matifatie gwitikira kana gukorwo magithengathengera mutumia ungi akorwo akingirira kihiko kiao. Na aingĩ makiuga ona angikorwo side chick ucio eho, ona angikorwo mutumia ucio ungi eho, the man has another woman, acha abaki kwa shimo no tikumureha mucii.
Guess who we are with?
Njeri wa Muigai.
Njeri leo amefika kwa the queen of virtuous women, the president of goat wives. Lakini karibu tu,
Lakini
yani nilikuwa nasikia we leo ni vizuri umejileta juu nasikianga kukupiga vita uone. Sasa wewe hawa watu unasema tuwakubali waletwe.
Tena mambo gani wewe unaleta?
Hiyo mambo tumekataa as goat wives.
Wacha nikwambie Sara, listen to me. Hata mkikataa ama mkubali bado wako
kule wako. Hebu wakae huko kwa shimo juu wajaribu kukaribia. Mimi niliwaambia hata mkisema mwanaume ni mpwa, kwa yangu nitapigania. Na mtu ajaribu kuikaribia, niliwaambia na kikwetu gomothandra atigwe musakwe. Kuro ya kuona ikamatoka.
Huku kuna waka moto. Kwani nilikuja wapi?
Hao watu wakubali hata useme nini.
Na mimi nakwambia hata ukikataa, hata afadhali wangu najua kwenye yako. Wewe wako wapi?
Ndugakiriganirwo gusubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.